In this video, you will learn how to use MyOpenMath with Canvas so that you can take assessments or practice of MyOpenMath in Canvas. The first thing we need to do is we need to request an account from MyOpenMath. To do that, we will now visit MyOpenMath website, myopenmath.com, and we will need to request an account. Now, MyOpenMath is somewhat of a closed-net society, so in order to get into MyOpenMath and in order to have a teacher's account with MyOpenMath, you need to request a teacher's account. It will ask you, and it will verify your institution before it issues you an account. So here it is. If you are an instructor, you can request an instructor account. So click on this link to request an instructor account. Fill in your name, your first name, your last name, your email address. I suggest that you use your edu.edu email address, phone number, district or college that you work at. Only a teacher can request an instructor account, so they will have to verify your school, your district, or the college. Web page where your instructor status can be verified. A school directory where perhaps your name, your phone number might show up, and then you request your username and then your password. Click agree. In a few days, they will send you an email to validate that your account is now open. It is possible that they won't do that, so the only way for you to find out whether or not your account is open is to check back through MyOpenMath and see that yes, an account for instructor has been validated. So once you have an account with MyOpenMath, the next step is to log into MyOpenMath, and remember that we're trying to integrate MyOpenMath with Canvas. So we're going to log into MyOpenMath, click on one of the courses, say if you want to integrate Algebra 1 into MyOpenMath, into Canvas, click on that Algebra 1 course. What we need to do now is we need a key. We need a way for MyOpenMath to communicate with Canvas. The way how they work is you have to extract a code, we call it an LTI key, from MyOpenMath and type that key into Canvas. To get that key, we click on the class that we wanted, and then we go down all the way down to course settings. Once you're in course settings, scroll all the way down toward the last item here. Now the LTI key can be found by clicking on this button, but before we do that, I need to explain something to you. LTI Access Secret. So the way how it works is, in addition to copying the LTI key, which is this key right here, you also need to come up with some name, a reference, so that the two systems can communicate to each other just at that instant moment, and then it will remember it for the rest of your course. So we need to enter a name, a secret, something, right? So I'm just gonna type up home, because we want to integrate MyOpenMath into Canvas. We need this LTI key. So copy the bottom one to only allow access through LMS. Make a copy of that. All right, you're done. That's pretty much it. You pull up, you made a copy of the LTI key. Let's go into your Canvas account and let's insert that LTI key. Type in your web address to your Canvas account. Log into your Canvas account. Okay, so I want MyOpenMath to talk with my, say, Algebra 1 class. I click onto my Algebra 1 class, go down to settings, I need to make sure that I have the MyOpenMath app installed. So I click on apps and I want to see if it's already in my Canvas account. If it's not in my Canvas account, then I need to install that app first before I can do anything. So click on install. Notice that I don't see MyOpenMath app installed. So I'm going to go ahead and search for MyOpenMath. There it is. Type in the search box the app that you're looking for, which is MyOpenMath. It shows up here. Click on that app, add app, and now it's going to prompt you to enter the key. So this is the MyOpenMath app. Consumer key is your LTI key. So maybe I remember that I did a control copy, right? Copy. I'm going to go and paste that in there. And also my secret word or a reference word. So earlier I chose home as my reference word. So type that under here, click add app, you're set to go. So now MyOpenMath talks to Canvas. Let's say if I want to create an assignment and I want to pull questions from MyOpenMath into Canvas. What I do is I click on assignments, wait a little bit, add an assignment, my internet is a bit slow, so that's why there's a bit of lag. It has nothing to do with Canvas, it has everything to do with my connection. Type in, going to fall under tests and quizzes category. And I don't want this to be graded, so just for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to choose not graded, and I'm going to choose the point the display in my gradebook to be points. Now here's where you can pull questions from MyOpenMath. Under submission, you will choose external tool. External tool allows us to pull in external apps such as MyOpenMath. Find the external tool. So here's where you type in MyOpenMath. Okay, that doesn't work. So click on find, and that should take you to all the apps that you have installed. If you scroll all the way down, if we're lucky enough, we will find MyOpenMath. Now, notice that you see multiple items of MyOpenMath, and that's because I have installed MyOpenMath in my Canvas in a previous instance. So that's why you see perhaps both of them. I think this is the most recent one, so I'm going to click on this. And it's going to try to communicate with MyOpenMath here. It's going to try to communicate with this. And we're going to see if it's successful in doing that, and it's not. It is not. So maybe maybe that MyOpenMath wasn't the right one. So I'm going to try this guy. Click on that, and if I'm lucky enough, I'm going to get into their system. So yay, I am in. There you go. Click continue. This is an Algebra 1 course. I have assignments that I have created that other teachers have created in the past that I can just use. I can make my own MyOpenMath if I want to. The main purpose of this video was for you to learn how to take an LTI key in MyOpenMath and insert that key into Canvas so that the two systems can communicate with each other. Once you're, and what I'm about to do is just an extra item. So say if you want to create an assignment or you want to pull an assignment for into your Canvas account. You don't want to create one, so you just want to pick one that a teacher has created. Perhaps that's the assignment you're looking for. Click on create, and you're going to make a placement. So choose one of those. and it's going to retrieve content from MyOpenMath. Click select, click save, and if all goes well, you're going to see that quiz inside Canvas. So let's see if that works out. There you go. Yay!